Hello, good morning to everybody. This is my first vlog, and this vlog belongs to from Dubai to Ajman. How do we get the bus from Dubai to Ajman? Firstly, we need to become this Union Metro station. After then, we catch bus number E400. Now I will show you bus from inside. This is the bus, Dubai bus. So guys, you can see as in front of me there is buses. These are the Dubai buses that go on long trips. And actually my English is not so good. It's like something something. I'll try my best. Hello guys, I met this guy. He's a very funny man and he's telling me something about Dubai, how to go and everything. Actually he's guided me. So now our bus is moving from Dubai to Ajman. This one is Dubai Union Metro Station. As you can see, guys, we are standing on green signal. Actually Dubai is full of traffic and almost this is 11 o'clock here, so it's a busy day. So as you seen, this is Dubai freeways. If we go from Dubai to Ajman by bus, then we across Sharjah also. So we are almost near Sharjah. After this, front of me, this red signal, we are in the Sharjah. So there is no borders, and you can see the accommodations, flats, everything. Again we are stuck on traffic. Almost we entered in Sharjah. So as in front of me you can maybe you can see there is a green signal, so this belongs in Sharjah. So we are now in Sharjah. As you can see in front of me, these buildings, this all belongs to Sharjah. This place is called Al Mamjar Beach Place, and on my right side this one is Ajman. So as you can see the cleanness of the city, traffic, drivers are following their rules. Each and everything is very, in decent way. There is a speed limits on the road. I think from bus timing is Dubai to Ajman travel time is almost 45 minutes. Guys, in front of me you can see this silver toll gate. As like in our India, here also each and every highways they have tolls. So they have a small sticker on their cars. Whenever they go throughout this, the toll is deducted. So this is highway of Dubai to Sharjah. These skylines belongs to Sharjah. This one is also the second. No, I can't say second. This one is the third. Yeah, this one is the third city or emirate. You can say Sharjah Emirates in UAE. It's also a very beautiful city. Lots of Indians are living here. Working people, hard working Indian, African, Filipinos, everybody is like, a unity together. So now we are inside Sharjah towards Ajman, and again it's full of traffic. As you can see on my side, there are shopping centers, residence buildings. Guys, whenever I live in Dubai, I always think when we can keep clean and neat in this city, then why not we keep our India clean? And this is the Sharjah city center. Sharjah city center, a very nice place, belongs to Al Futain Properties. They they have each and every city centers in each and every city. They own a view from top of the bridge, Sharjah. Now we are going inside the tunnel. As you can see on my left side, this one is Sharjah, I think University or Culture Hall, and in front of me that is a library. We are very near about Ajman. Just after one roundabout, we are in Ajman. A very beautiful roundabout. That connects Sharjah and Ajman. Actually, this round was it's in Sharjah. After maybe 1 kilometer, we are in Ajman. So as you can see on my right and left, both side is residential complexes, villas, local RB guys, and a regular day, regular traffic. Now this time in October, climate is very good. Even you can walk outside. It's not too much hot, but just little bit humidity, like our Bombay and some. We just after 2 minutes or just 5 minutes we will reach on Ajman bus station. That is our destination. It will take almost 40 minutes now this time, because there is not too so much traffic. But if you travel in evening time, maybe it will take 1 hour or maybe more than 10-20 minutes from 1 hour. Headquarters and Ramada, Hotel Ramada, Black Ramada. As you can see in my left side, black. So this is our last green signal, and after this signal we are direct inside Ajman bus station. Please support and subscribe me. This is my first vlog, and even I don't know how to edit and everything, but I'm trying. And in front of me you see this one is old museum, Ajman Museum. I don't.
الموقف التالي محطة حافلات عجمان. Next stop is Ajman.
This is my last stop. We reached in Ajman. So as you see how we can come from Dubai to Ajman by bus, and it will cost almost 15 dirhams, 15 dirhams, and in Indian currency it's almost 300 rupees. Thank you for watching my channel, and I will show you the glisten view of inside bus. It's a new branded bus. It's an upper deck of the bus. Thank you guys. Now I need to get out from the bus.